Good evening, friends. You are most welcome to ThinkEye channel. Today we are discussing the anthropology question and answer. Our first question is: how is labor organized in most pre-industrial and peasant economies? Labor must be organized in specific ways to produce goods. In most pre-industrial and peasant economies, labor is organized by the household or kin group. Work that people both perform and receive locates them with respect in their social network and is often integral to their identity. Next question is: what is the relationship between population, social complexity, and specialization? As societies become more populous and complex, the number of specialized jobs found in them increases. This is particularly true where societies are dependent on grain agriculture or industrialism. In pre industrial societies like traditional India, kin groups may have right or duties to perform particular specializations. Current day, wealthy societies have extremely high degree of specialization. This creates great efficiency but involves changing notion of identity and often has heavy human cost. Next question is: what different systems of distributions are described in this chapter? In all societies, there are systems for distributing and consuming goods and services. Every society uses some combination of reciprocity, redistribution, and the market to redistribute goods and services and to provide patterns and standards for their consumptions. Our next question is: define reciprocity and describe different types of reciprocity. Reciprocity is a mutual give and take of goods and services among people. In generalized reciprocity, individuals at a close social distance give and take without expecting immediate or specific return. Balanced reciprocity involves individuals at a medium social distance and include a clear obligation to return goods of nearly equal value to those given. Negative reciprocity is characterized of impersonal or unfriendly relations and involves attempting to get the better of a trade. Next question is: what is redistribution and in what kinds of societies is it commonly found? In redistribution, goods are collected to a social center from which they are given out to be grouped in a new pattern. Redistribution occurs in many different contexts but is particularly common in societies that have big men and chiefdoms and in states. Potlatch among Northwest coastal Native Americans provide an example of redistribution. Some forms of redistribution act as labeling mechanism, forcing wealthier individuals to disburse part of their riches to the rest of the community. Our next question is: what are the chief characteristics of market exchange and where is it found? In market exchange, goods and services are bought and sold at a money price determined by market forces. In principle, market exchange is impersonal and occurs without regard to the social position of the participants. Market exchange is the most common mechanism of exchange in the world today and is found in most societies.